I'm gonna decipher this one. This one is a mom petroglyph. It goes with the other one, the dad petroglyph. This one is after we go and get ice creams. Apparently, one of the kids has dropped it onto their clothes. And when you get home, they just throw their clothes right here, you see right there, throw the clothes on the floor in the bathroom and do not put them in the bin. See the bins right here? At that point, mom basically just says, why in the heck do you not put your thing? It's easy. Look, all you do is go 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4, and it's basically you just put stuff in the bin. It's a lot of heavy weight, a lot of lifting for me to be able to do what you should be able to do. At that point, mom realizes that it's not making a full circle. You can see that little point right here. This is mom telling the kids and it going nowhere. At that point, mom just gets on to an animal and takes off and goes 3 moons away right here. And that's the end of that story.